morning, fam. We're here in Laie, over here on the east side. Super windy today. As you can see, there's Sophia. We're packing up the car. We're going over to the west side, see what there is to offer. I think we're planning on Electric Beach, go snorkeling. So we're super pumped about that, and we'll catch you in a second. See ya. Here at Electric Beach. Pretty busy today, as you can kind of see around us, but we're here to have a good time, and we're excited, and we'll see you down in the water. Okay, bye. We had a good swim in the water and saw lots of fish, and Sophia got a little taste of the warm water. There's a lot of warm water at the end of the tunnel, right?
Yes.
Felt so good. But ultimately the water was a little chilly, and we enjoyed our swim. We just kind of made like a big loop out there. Kind of went to the very end and then slowly made our way back. The current was pretty strong, so it wasn't as enjoyable as it could be, but
it was good.
We still had a good time. Yeah
lots of fish out there compared to a lot of places. Like so many.
There was
like
a lot of color too. Like hopefully it'll come through on the GoPro video. It took some underwater, so hopefully you guys saw that. We haven't seen it yet, so I can't say, but we'll see what else the day holds. I think for the most part, we're just planning on going back. You know, it was pretty sunny here for a while, and then now it's starting to rain again, so we're having a good time, but we'll see what happens. Catch you guys in a little bit.